In today's show, Tom Lee, in a recent BLOCKTV news interview, shared that a Bitcoin ETF is only possible if the Bitcoin price breaks $150,000. In today's show, we're going to be dissecting this exclusive interview, which was just released with Tom Lee himself, and providing all the highlights so you can better understand his way of thinking and why he believes a ETF is years away from being approved. And in other crypto news, we'll be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, it's not looking so good, and we'll be discussing a published graph from Trading Shot who predicts a potential Bitcoin bottom this December, as well as looking into the scary coincidence, all this and so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. And before we dive right into today's show, to celebrate the launch of our podcast, our sponsor, CMDX, the fastest growing health rewards cryptocurrency in the world, is giving away $25 worth of CMDX tokens absolutely free. For full details, be sure to click the link right below this video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into what Tom Lee had to share in this exclusive interview with BLOCKTV News. Here's the rundown. A Bitcoin ETF is a few years away from now, according to Thomas Lee, co-founder of market research firm Fundstrat. Contrary to popular belief, as the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is impeding the good process of the cryptocurrency market, Lee actually praised the regulator for its ability to control the emerging space and protect institutional and retail investors from potential scams. According to Fundstrat's head of research, institutions are attracted by a market that is properly regulated. Thus, the SEC is actually doing a favor. Nevertheless, the U.S. regulator might have harmed the industry by going slow. The most important achievement that will make Bitcoin attractive for institutions is the creation of an ETF, Lee says. However, he doesn't think the SEC will approve a Bitcoin-related fund anytime soon. One of the reasons why the regulator is hesitant is the Bitcoin market size. Currently, the market cap of the oldest digital currency is under $150 billion. Lee estimated that the largest crypto by market cap has to be priced at no less than $150,000 to be liquid enough to back an ETF. So he's ultimately saying, don't expect an ETF to get approved anytime soon. Also in the news, check this out. New Bitcoin ETF proposal filed with SEC by Gold Fund veteran. Interesting, but what good is that, knowing in the back of our mind that it's not going to get approved until the market cap gets much higher, potentially in the trillions, when we would see a $150,000 Bitcoin. And let's not forget, the Bitwise ETF was just disapproved as well. So every ETF proposal thus far did not get approved, and Thomas Lee is ultimately saying, don't hold your breath. An ETF is likely to generate close to $13 billion of demand the first year, and that's a massive demand imbalance to available supply. The SEC doesn't step back on its stance. The SEC looks very determined to keep Bitcoin ETFs away from U.S. investors for now. Earlier this month, we reported that the U.S. financial watchdog rejected a Bitcoin ETF proposal by Bitwise Asset Management, which I just shared with you. Nevertheless, ETF providers are not discouraged. Asset manager Cryptoin Investment Advisors has recently filed an application with the SEC to create a Bitcoin ETF that would track the CME CF Bitcoin reference rate. The firm is assisted by the ex-managing director of the World Gold Council. So what are your thoughts? Do you think we will see a Bitcoin ETF anytime soon? Or are you in agreement with Tom Lee that it may be years away, not until the crypto market is more mature and the Bitcoin value is more stable at above $150,000? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And I also included this exclusive interview between BLOCKTV News and Tom Lee. It's about 25 minutes. It's an excellent watch. Be sure to check it out under the show notes right down below this video in the description. And taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap, it's currently 217 billion with 58 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance is 66.5%. And taking a look at the overall crypto market, we can see most of the major coins are in the red. Bitcoin is down 4.23%, trading at $7,911. Ethereum also in the red, down 4.38%, and these coins are dropping fast, trading at $166.38. XRP is down 3.04%, trading at 28 cents. EOS is down 2.29%, trading at $2.85. BNB coin is in the blood red, down 5.12%, trading at $17.71. Miss Litecoin is down 4.59%, trading at $51.94. And even Link is down 4.53%, trading at $2.59. And if we take a look over at the BitMEX margins, you can see the bears are dominating with 300 million in superiority, leading the way with 57.12% shorts versus 42.88% longs. Now taking a look at this Bitcoin graph published on TradingView by TradingShot, who says Bitcoin bottom in December ? See this scary coincidence? Let's talk about it. Here's what TradingShot had to share. Following the latest analysis on Bitcoin symmetrical cycles on the 1-month chart, I have decided to take the research one step further and attempt to time the bottom of the current correction. I'm doing so. I have scaled down the 1-day chart using, again, the moving average 1000 and the moving average 1400 periods as the long-term buy zone to give us, again, a perspective of where buy accumulation is on its optimal level. Then regarding the symmetrical cycles, I've kept the previous studies phases. On one hand, the 2017 final aggressive 13-month rise of only 3 red months and the 2018 symmetrical 13-month bear cycle of only 3 green months. On the other, the 2019 very aggressive parabolic sequence of 5 straight green months and the current correction of the moment, which is 3 straight red months. But having applied them to the 1-day chart, I had to do a few minor modifications regarding the duration of the cycles in order to fit the exact tops and bottoms on the daily frame. This doesn't alter the efficiency of the projection. The key characteristic is that the bear phase is 0.88 bull phase. This puts the end of the current correction bottom in early December 2019. What is more important on the current study is the application of the Fibonacci retracement levels on the axis price and time, creating a box. Each box fits inside the bull and bear phases of each cycle. As you can see, the top on both cycles was made with 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci extension. The bottom in 2018 was made within the 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Similarly, I find no reason not to assume that the current bottom will be outside the 0.5 to 0.618 level, which is within $6,500 to $5,500 trading range. And now for the scary coincidence. All the above factors combined place the expected bottom within $6,500 to $5,500 comfortably on the moving average 1,000 to 1,400 buy zone in December 2019. Coincidentally, the 2018 bottom and bear cycle low was also made in December. So practically, we have 2 identical cycles, both bull and bear, with symmetrical tops and the same candle characteristics on the monthly chart. Is this too scary enough for you? What are your thoughts? And I went ahead and included this incredible resource in the show notes right down below this video in the description for you to check it out. You can see the 1-month chart published right here, along with the projections, as well as the complementary material on the expected bottom. So what do you think is going to happen? Do you think in December we will see a bottom as low as $5,500 to $6,500 as projected by TradingShot right here? Or do you think we'll climb to new all-time highs for the year? I'd love to know your opinions in the comments right down below. now taking a look at the top 50 biggest losers for the day. We have XRC down 33.71%. We got Clam down 75.29%. We have BAAS down 31%. HXRO down 35%. Holy moly, it's a bloodbath. MRK down 43%. HOT down 70%. Nothing looking too positive here on the biggest losers. Now let's check out the biggest gainers for the day, the top 50 gainers. You got RET up 37%, trading at 0.001. We have MEDX up 183%, trading at 0.003. We have AMLT up 106%, trading at 0.007. We have ADC up 57%, trading at 0.005. We have SBD up 58%, trading at 52 cents. And the market, I mean, overall, it's definitely a bearish sentiment because as Bitcoin goes down, a lot of the major altcoins continue to follow. However, we do see some come-ups, as you can see right here on your screen. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And I want to give a special thanks to our sponsor, CMDX, the fastest growing health rewards cryptocurrency in the world. To celebrate the launch of our podcast, they're giving away $25 worth of CMDX tokens, absolutely free, just for helping support the show. For full details, be sure to click that link right below this video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.